Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinoy Bix. May bago tayong problem mula sa EE Board April of 1996. So the problem state that, in how many ways can 6 distinct books be arranged in a bookshelf? So magbibigay akong ng representation para mas madali natin maintindihan o maunawaan yung ating problem. So meron tayong 6 na section. Since meron tayong 6 na different o distinct books. So, lagyan natin dito ng the first book, second book, okay, third book, fourth book, fifth book, and the sixth and last book. Okay. So, dito sa unang books, meron tayong 6 na pwedeng pagpilian. So, meron tayo ditong 6 way. Okay. Sa second, since meron na tayong napili sa isa, so may natira na lang na 5. So, 5 ways na lang. Sa third book, so meron tayong 4 na lang. Sa fourth, 3 yung natira. Sa fifth, 2. And sa sixth, yun yung natitira na lang. Okay? So, ayan. So, sana naintindihan niyo yung ating figure. And, meron tayong 2 methods para makuha yung ating sagot. Okay. First, let n is equivalent to total number of ways. So, using the fundamental principle of counting, so n so equivalent to the number of ways for the first book, which is equivalent to 6. So, multiply the number of ways for the second. So, we have 5. For the third, so we have 4. For the fourth, 3. For the fifth, okay, 2. And for the last book, so isa na lang. So this is total of 720. And that is our yung second method. Pwede nating gamitin yung ating permutation formula. Since lahat ginamit, so therefore, ang n natin, n, which is the total number of ways, so equivalent to n permutation n, which is equivalent to n factorial. So, base sa ating given, yung n natin ay 6 permutation 6, so equivalent to 6 factorial. So, 6 factorial is equivalent to 720. So, you can also check this. Okay? So, using your calculator, input nyo lang 6 permutation 6, so equivalent to, and the result is 720. Ayan, madali lang naman. So, sana naunawaan nyo paano isolve yung ganitong klaseng problem. Okay, finalize lang natin yung ating sagot. So, there are 720 ways this 6 distinct book can be arranged in a shelf. So, okay, that's all. Thank you. So, don't forget, so subscribe po kayo sa aking channel para masubaybayan nyo yung aking mga i-upload pang mga videos regarding examples ng problem solving in mathematics. So, again, thank you.
Pinoy Bix.